In a digital era, brimming with endless notifications, instant gratification, and a whirlwind of social media feeds, have we forgotten how to appreciate the silence of our own thoughts? Have we lost the essential art of being truly bored? Remember the days when boredom could spur hours of imaginative play, reflective thought, and unexpected creativity? Those days are far from over. Today, our relentless pursuit of digital stimulation is reshaping our minds and souls. Imagine how our perpetual online presence is stifling our productivity, smothered our focus, and dampened our innovative spirit. Our brains, entrapped by the endless cycle of digital novelty, are at risk of losing the profound beauty found in simplicity, in the calm, and yes, in the boredom. I reached a personal epiphany when I made the conscious decision to step away from the digital chaos, and in doing so, I rediscovered the profound joy and unexpected insights hidden within mundane activities. You too can unearth the delight in simplicity and enhance your life's quality. Begin by intentionally reducing your digital intake, setting aside regular periods for digital detox, and rediscovering the world through your senses. Adopting this less is more lifestyle doesn't merely make the mundane fascinating. It transforms the way we interact with the world, unlocking creativity, fostering deep thought, and propelling personal growth. Leaders, creators, and thinkers throughout history and in our times often attribute their groundbreaking ideas to moments of quiet contemplation and simplicity, to the very essence of what some might call boredom. Envision the breakthroughs, the peace, and the depth you could achieve if we all welcomed, even embraced, a little more stillness in our lives. Join me in this quiet revolution against digital overload. Hit subscribe, like, and share how you plan to reclaim the hidden power of boredom. Together, we all can outgrow the noise.